Hey there. I think it goes without saying that this past year, and particularly this past 3 months, have been like nothing we've ever seen before in real estate in the Temecula Valley. Look, let's talk some numbers. Look, as you know, the first quarter of 2020 wasn't where we saw the COVID shutdown so much as the second quarter. So at the end of the first 3 months, we had about 550 homes on the market with an average market time of 45 days and an average sales price of around $500,000. But look, as of March 31st this year, we've seen that the average sales price jumped to $632,000. That's a whopping 26% in 12 months. Plus, the market time has dropped from 45 to 19 days, nearly a 60% decrease. And look, as of today, there are only 259 homes in this entire marketplace compared to 550 that we had last year. So we're down to about 50% there as well. That said, I do see a change coming on the horizon. With a slight increase in rates and the relaxation of COVID restrictions, well, look, we're going to start to see that buyer frenzy is going to wane just a bit. Just 1 month ago, homes that hit the market here under 500K would get 20 to 30 offers in the first couple days. Now that same price range is generating 3 to 4. Now look, I know that's still great, but we all know that this value escalation cannot maintain its course, and a correction will come. When it will come or what will cause it remains to be seen. But we still believe that if you have any plans of selling in the next couple of years, now is definitely the time to do it. If you want to discuss this further, be sure to call me immediately, text me, email me, however you want to reach me. Talk to you next quarter on Destry TV.